from University of Lethbridge. University of Lethbridge is a renowned institution based in Canada. So we see that University of Lethbridge is a comprehensive research university. It's a public institution based in the city of Lethbridge in province of Alberta in Canada. So if you see uh, the population, sorry, the city of Lethbridge is not too big. It has only 101,000 people in the city, but it's very close to Calgary, which is one of the most popular cities, and we're just 2 hours away from there. Coming to our location, just a bit about that. We are very close to the US borders, so we're just an hour drive away from the US borders. Amongst other popular destinations like Vancouver and Toronto, we're just 5 hours away from Toronto and 1 hour from Vancouver. Yeah, so if you see on the left hand side, you'll see these are the campuses University of Lethbridge has. So on the left hand side, you'll see the main campus, which is based in Lethbridge. It's a very big campus based in spanning a place of 500 acres, and we are located at a very beautiful riverside of the Oldman River Valley. On the right hand side, you'll see our Calgary campus. It's not too big, but it has its own unique features, like we have few of our programs available there, and there are evening classes that are conducted at the Calgary campus. So, and the programs, there are a lot, yeah, like more than 150 programs that we have in offer for our students, which includes a bachelor's in management, bachelor's of arts, sciences, music, fine arts, health sciences. So there is a lot wherein the student has an option to choose from. These programs are very popular, and we have a co-op as a part of the program as well. Now, co-op may be a new term for a few people. So co-op basically means a paid internship is a part of the program. So internship could be paid or unpaid, that depends on where you work. But basically the co-op concept brings in a live experience into working as a part of your study. So you'll see these are the most popular programs that are mentioned, are the ones that are mostly taken up by students from around the world. When it comes to ranking, we rank pretty decently. We rank second in terms of being an undergrad university, and we rank fifth amongst the undergrad research category according to the Maclean's 2020 ranking. So this is more or less about the ranking part. I'm majorly going to talk about our School of Business, which is called Dillon School of Business, which is one of the most popular business schools around. It is the School of Business is AACSB accredited, which is one of the highest accreditation a business school can have. This accreditation is only available to only 6% of the business schools around the world. We have a center for financial market and research and training on campus, which basically means that we have a trading space on campus. The student has an opportunity to do live trading under the supervision of a teacher. Also, we have student managed investment fund, which basically means that we have a course curriculum wherein the student does not have to shell out money, but they would be supported by the university to do these investments, so they don't have to shell out any money on their own. We have a lot of study abroad opportunities as well along with this program. So not only in Canada, they can go to 24 other different countries wherein we have partnerships and experience in the diverse culture throughout the world. Our graduate employment rate is 96% alone, which is one of the highest um, for alone for the business school. So University of Lethbridge, in combination with Dillon School of Business, puts in a lot of efforts to create job opportunities available for its student. So, and we conduct a lot of networking sessions, and we have on-campus recruitment that happens twice a year. So the student has an opportunity to check out these options as well. So we have, coming to the admission requirements, I would only be promoting undergrad bachelor's degree. So these are the three options that the student can have. So we have bachelor's degree, which is for a duration of 4 years. Then we have a post-diploma program. So students who have done their grade 12, after that, they can definitely apply. And these post-diplomas would eventually lead them to a bachelor's degree. Then we have a second bachelor's degree option, which is one of the unique concepts that we offer to our students, wherein students who have already, graduated from their home country, for example, if they've studied in India, so they also have an opportunity to enroll themselves with a university in Canada. So this second degree basically leads them to, a direct entry into the third year of the program, and they just need to study with us for 2 more years, and they will have a degree in their hand, a credential from a public university, which gives them a lot of edge above, other programs that are offered by different institutions based in Canada. So our minimum requirements is 50% in their grade 12, and they need to have an IELTS score of 6 overall with no band below 6. Now this, you might feel that this is a bit low, but you need to understand that you're getting, it's a complete package if you come and study at University of Lethbridge, and the requirements are not too high, so the students have a lot of opportunity to explore it throughout. Then we have a lot of scholarship options as well with us. So the student, which range from 500 to 5,000 Canadian dollar. So students don't automatically get enrolled for the scholarships. They have to make an application. And one thing you need to remember about the scholarships is that these scholarships have a deadline. So you need to follow these deadlines, and definitely we have like more than 500 scholarships with which you can make an application for. So please don't forget to enroll yourself for these scholarship opportunities. A bit of other information, there's an application fee of $140. Our turnaround time, whenever you make an application, it is just 2 weeks. We have two intakes. So we have a fall intake and a January intake. You can usually make an application through Apply Alberta, or please get in touch with Study Metro. They would help you make an application with us. And how much you would have to shell out to study at University of Lethbridge. So our tuition fee is approximately 18,000 Canadian dollars. If you include the student fee and the books and supplies, it'll come up to 21,000 Canadian dollars, which is just an approximate. It could be lower than this as well. The living cost would not exceed would be somewhere between $800 to $1,500. Reason being that Lethbridge is a very cost-effective city. It is not a very big town, so you don't have to, put out a lot of money. Coming to the housing options, so University of Lethbridge, we usually recommend the students to, come and stay on campus for the first year. So the student have an opportunity to choose from, they can choose out a room wherein they can stay alone, or they can enroll for a sharing basis. So the price of that would depend on what kind of room you select. We have a lot of on-campus opportunities. And it is like that students don't have to struggle to get into these accommodations, because we have saved these opportunities for first-year students. Besides the home, the on-campus accommodation, we have other options like homestay or residences off campus. So students have an option to choose to stay off campus as well. So when you stay on campus, there are 2-3 things that you don't have to worry about. Basically, first, you don't have to worry about, how would you commute to the university, what will you eat, because there's a dining plan that is mandatory, inclusive of your, accommodation on campus. And then you don't have to figure out a space. When you arrive, your space is already booked at the campus. So just to sum up, these are few of the unique features of University of Lethbridge. So you'll see that, as I told you, that we are a comprehensive research university. So we have a research center on campus. Our science building is one of the most upgraded facilities throughout Canada. So we have a lot of opportunities for students who wish to go for science. University of Lethbridge is renowned collector of art. So we collect art, we preserve art. Reason why all the programs that fall under the arts programs have a co-op opportunity available for it. I've already spoken about, the Dillon School of Business and its features. We've got a trading space which is available at both the campuses. Um, as a city, the city of Lethbridge is not too big, but it is one of the sunniest city in Canada. So you might find this, quite amazing, but it is true that, it snows throughout Canada, but whenever you don't get to see the sun, it leads to winter depression. So we are quite lucky in that even in the harshest of winters, we get to see the sun. And more or less, I've covered about the Calgary campus too. These are a few steps that University of Lethbridge has taken in lieu of the ongoing pandemic. So our September intake would be conducted virtually, and to support those uh, facilities, we are conducting virtual sessions to support our students so that they can successfully complete their online learning uh, thing. We do offer conditional admission as well, so students who have not received their, complete documentation as of now, like if their English proficiency is pending or if their last academics like grade 12 is pending, we still give them conditional offer. Besides IELTS, we accept Duolingo, TOEFL, and PTE as well. So the score should be equivalent to S6 overall. In TOEFL, it could be 80. PTE, it needs to be 54. And with Duolingo, we require a score of 105. We do offer deferment of admission to other intakes for complete 1 year. So if you are holding any offers with University of Lethbridge for September, you have an option of, deferring your admission to either January 21 or September 21. We have extended our deadlines as well, so you still have time to make the application for the upcoming intakes. So thank you so much